Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ELTP. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Not to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice start to the week here. As a quick little kind of breakdown there. Had a nice little chart pattern here forming, and then this morning is where the breakout of it happened, and then after the breakout, got good solid continuation with that. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk about areas of resistance. So the ideal level of support going forward, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 21 cents, that would be a great sign of power. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above it, that would certainly be the biggest sign of strength. Next level of support after that, down here at the 19.5 cent level. And then from the big picture perspective, so taking a step back, looking at the grand scheme of things, it's all about the purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of this 50-period, and you know that when the price is above it, assuming you're bullish, of course, you want to see the price stay above it, because as long as that's the case, that implies that the overall trend is bullish. And you can see that multiple times now since the price has gotten above it. The price has been down around that purple line on several occasions. And each and every time, the price has done a good job of staying up above it. So the very simplistic way to look at the chart is simply put, as long as the price stays above the purple line, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? So if this price movement is going to fight upwards, initial level is just right here at 22 cents. I'm sure if you're watching level 2s today, then you notice that on several different occasions, the bulls try to push up through there, but just couldn't quite do it. So 22 cents, key level of resistance going into tomorrow. All in all, though, at the end of the day, yes, breaking levels of resistance is important, but the most important part, which this chart has been doing a great job of, is just continuing to put in higher lows, because as long as there's higher lows being put in, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So great start to the week. We'll see how the rest of this week all unfolds.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.